Las Piedras, Puerto Rico, June 5th, 2021. This area was ravaged by Hurricane Maria in 2017, and as you can see, still has not recovered. And why this damage is old, it's from a hurricane in 2017. I've seen similar damage in Florida and the Panhandle. I've seen the damage in the Outer Banks in North Carolina. And insurance companies typically don't address these situations in a timely fashion. They try to wear you out and they try to pay you guys as little as possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to put together estimates that comply with local building codes and manufacturer install specifications, and we're going to do it in a timely fashion to make sure you never end up with a dilapidated structure like this, because if it was up to the insurance companies, they're never going to pay. We're not going to allow that to happen. Okay, and why this is an extreme example, the reality is things like this happen all over the United States all the time. The insurance companies intentionally try to wear you guys out, and if you don't know how to play this game, you're going to lose. So you can call Claims Master, and we can manage the entire restoration process for you guys. Good.